Hello everybody, this is Steve, your Everyday Guy, and in today's video we're doing an unboxing of the DJI Mic MIni. And before we get started on that though, I just want to let you know, I am not sponsored, so this is something I purchased with my own money, so anything you hear will be my opinion based on what I think of it. This will be my third DJI device that I purchased. The first one I purchased was the DJI Mic 3, which is an amazing drone, and I liked it so much that I decided to go ahead and buy the DJI Osmodo Pocket 2, which is what you're actually seeing me on right now, and what you're hearing is also the audio from it. So if you kind of want to get an idea of what the quality is on that, and I was very impressed with both of those products. So what I did is I decided, it's time to add some better sound to my videos. I did have a wireless microphone that I've used in some of the videos. I thought it left me sounding kind of flat, and I wanted to get something with a better range and just kind of overall capture my voice better, for better for worse. And so what I did is I bought this, and I think it'll make a great little addition to my streaming. I'm trying to grow my channel, so if you guys haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. It really helps me, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And now let's get into the video.
Product reviews and unboxing brought to you by Everyday Guy.
There's a lot of cheap products out there coming from China. You'll look at Temu and you'll see it's just a bunch of junk that's coming out. But there are a few companies from China that are amazing. DJI is one of them. In terms of drones, they're widely regarded as one of the best consumer drone manufacturers out there. In terms of video products, they make amazing video products. The video you're watching right now is filmed on one of them. And in terms of their mics, I see a lot of other YouTube creators out there using them, and I really like the sound, so I'm excited about this one. So let's go ahead and let's open it up. One thing you should notice right off the bat is that the box, it looks professional, looks as good as any product you get from the big name companies out of America or Japan or Korea. And so let's open it up and let's take a look here. Next you'll see you got a nice sealed pouch. This is something that you don't see a lot of companies do. They'll do just a little cheap sealed plastic. So we'll open this up. And I got a nice little carrying pouch that it came in. That's what it looks like. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and unzip that. And let's see, inside here we got one accessory, two accessory. Looks like the mic in the case itself. I'm going to kind of get you a close look here. Let's see. That is it. So overall quality of this pouch though, this is some really nice, the seams are really good on this thing. I'm looking, the stitching looks flawless. No errors on there, no puckering. You see it's got these nice little pouches here, and it's got this interior one that'll unzip. Show you what that looks like. So we'll turn that back out the way it's supposed to be. So overall, very impressed with the quality of the pouch. Next thing is you know what? Let's take a look and see what cords they sent with it. You'll notice very clean looking plastic, high quality, not the cheap stuff you get with a lot of other things. And it's really this attention to detail that I think DJI is really kind of cornered the market on when it comes to these products. Because this is something you expect on a Japanese product or a South Korean product, maybe some American products, but you definitely don't expect this level of packaging and quality on a Chinese product. So what we have here is we have our USB connector for charging, and then we have the microphone line, and you'll notice it is stereo. Now let's take a look here. And in here, we have got two different kinds of windsocks for the mics. I'm not exactly sure what the difference is between these. I'm going to have to do a little bit of research to find out. But we got two pairs because we have two microphones that came with it. So we'll set those aside. Now let's get into the good stuff. So here we go. We've got this, once again, nice packaging here. So we're going to open that up nice and tight. They definitely took their time in packaging it. It wasn't sloppily thrown in there. It was definitely put in there with purpose. All right. So a neat little thing here is they tell you to press to unlock right there. So I think we're going to take this off first. Yeah, I can see why they do that, because You'd be tempted to think it slides or something, but if you just press right there, it opens. And then there we have what's on the inside. All right, you can see it comes partially charged. And so, first thing I want to talk about is this case actually feels really good quality. It's got a battery indicator right there. Looks like it's low battery, needs to be charged, not surprised. And so next we've got one receiver. Kind of show you how small it looks in your hands. One of the things I really like about these receivers is you'll see it's got a clip, which is cool, but it still has the magnet. And this is a very powerful magnet. So if you want to, you can put it through the clothes, or you can just clip it on right there. Looks like we've got a pair button and a power button. Those are the charging connectors that connect down there. That is neat. Of course, it came with two of those. So we'll just set those one up, one down like that. And then next, you've got your receiver. Now the receiver does not appear to have a magnetic thing there. I wonder if, oh, that might be metal. Not quite the same metal. So one, you do have an adjustment here. I'll have to do some more research. I would think that might be a gain adjustment. I'll have to do some more research to find out. Now you've got a pair button here, the power on off button, and it looks like you've got the, this is for the out, so you can plug it directly into something. Like on mine, I've got the I believe it's the Go Anywhere attachment for my Osmoto 2, so this can plug directly in there and use it that way. And then you've also got your USB attachment, which I believe this is just for charging. And if you take this out, so if you take that out, this will pull up. This fits in there really good, but it does come out. And then you'll got a little arrow right there, which matches up with that arrow to show you how to slide it in. So this will slide in. And if you've got a USB connection, like on a cell phone or something, you can slide that in right there and use audio that way. I do have the RC1, I think it's the RC1 controller for my DJI, which got the built-in screen. So I can slide this in there and add video. It doesn't come in the video recorded on the card itself on the drone. I have to have a card in my controller, but yeah, that way I can do some voiceovers on my drone if I want to do that. So overall, I am very impressed with this for the price. I mean, it's a really good price. You can't beat that. And I'll be honest, I got this on an amazing deal after Christmas. It was $79.99. I believe it's normally $130. I'm not sure. If it's not, look at the price right here, so you can see what the normal price is. In terms of audio quality, be sure and subscribe. That way when new videos come out, you can hear the audio quality on it and see just how great it sounds. You made it this far, so if you haven't subscribed yet, why not? Please subscribe, it really helps me. And hit that like button to say, hey, I made it this far and I appreciate the video. And also, don't forget to share the link if you know somebody that's been looking for a decent microphone for a fairly good price. I'm not going to say it's cheap, it's not. But I do think for what you get, it is very well priced. This is Steve, your Everyday Guy, and I will see you in the next video.